Flat glass reports. This tutorial will address the following: sales breakdown, sales by part category, invoice profitability, cost of goods sold, customer special pricing, print work order labels, list price categories, markup categories, flat glass types, fabrications, and flat glass parts. Sales breakdown. To view flat glass sales, click on Report Sales, then Sales Breakdown. Select a date range. At Report Type, select Flat and click on View. The report will list flat glass sales with invoice number, customer number, amounts for glass parts, fabs, labor, tax deductible, waive deductible, and invoice total with grand totals. The second page will list tax collected by tax code, payment breakdown for cash sales and paid on account. By clicking on the icons at the top of the page, you can change the view of the report. Sales by part category. Click on Report, Sales, Flat Glass Sales by Part Category. Select the date range, leave the part category blank to view all. Display type should be all and click on View. The Sales by Part Category report will list the category, description of category, unit quantity sold by unit of measure, and sales amount. Click on Close. Back at the report view, click on Detail List with Part Category at the bottom window and click on View. The report will now list the item code for each part category. Invoice profitability report will figure percentage of profit for each invoice. In order for the report to be accurate, costs must be entered on each part. Enter in your beginning and ending dates and click on View. The report will list the date of invoice, invoice number, parts, labor amount, tax, invoice total, material cost, labor cost, total cost, profit amount, and percentage profit. In order for this report to be accurate, we will need to have costs entered on each glass, fabrication, and part. Cost of goods sold. Click on Report, Sales, and Cost of goods sold. Enter a beginning and ending date. Leave the part range blank to include all parts for the selected date range and click on View. The Cost of goods sold report will list each part number, thickness, quantity, purchase cost, sold price, and profit amount. In order for this report to be accurate, you will need to enter costs on each part, glass, fabrication, and parts. Customer Special Pricing. Click on Reports, Accounts, and Customer Special Pricing List. Leave the customer range blank to include all customers and click on View. The customer code and customer name will be listed with each part code, thickness, description of part, unit of measure, price category, and price. Print work order labels. To print work order labels, click on Reports, File Listing, Print work order labels. Select your work order range, click on the three dots icon to look up your work orders, then click on Print. Enter the beginning row and column for the labels and click OK. Then click OK to print. The printed label will include the following information: work order number, purchase order number, customer account number and name, glass type, thickness, dimensions, and then list any fabrications for the glass. To review price categories, click on Reports, File Listing, List Price Categories. Leave Code Range blank to include all, and click on View. The report will list each price category, code, and description. To list markup categories, click on Reports, File Listing, List Markup Categories. Leave the markup category range blank to include all codes and click on View. Each code will be listed with the description. To view the markup percentage for each markup category, leave the range blank to include all and then check the box beside Include Price Categories. Click on View. The report will list each markup category, code, and description. Under each markup category, the percentage markup would be listed for each price category. To review entered flat glass types, click on Report, File Listing, List Flat Glass Types. Leave the part code range blank to view all types of glass and click on View. The report will list the code, thickness of glass, unit of measure, markup category, and description. To show the pricing with the type of glass, leave the part code range blank to include all, and then click on the box beside Show Pricing. Click on View. The report will list the code, thickness, unit of measure, markup category, and description. For each price category, the price by unit of measure will be listed with minimum price, labor, minimum labor, taxable yes or no, and discount yes or no. To view fabrications, click on Reports, File, Listing, List Fabrications. Leave the part code range blank to include all fabrications and click on View. The report will list the fabrication code, thickness, unit of measure, markup category, and description. To review the pricing for fabrications, click on the box beside Show Pricing and click on View. The report will list for each fabrication the code, thickness, unit of measure, markup category, and description, and pricing. To review entered flat glass parts, click on Reports, File, Listing, List Flat Glass Parts. Leave the part code range blank to include all parts and click on View. The report will list each code, assign markup category, and description. To review the pricing, click on the box beside Show Pricing and click on View. The report will list each part with code, markup category, and description, and pricing.